Introducing the MTM-100-1000DC Torque Tester DC, a cutting-edge solution for verifying the accuracy and repeatability of your hand tools, power tools, and pulse tools. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO combines precision engineering with user-friendly features to elevate your quality control processes. Covering a broad torque range of 10-100/100-1000 nlb, this torque tester accommodates various applications, ensuring versatility in your testing needs. The included SoftwareUSB enables seamless data transfer and analysis, providing comprehensive insights into your torque testing results. With peak, first peak, and track modes, this torque tester offers versatility in capturing different torque measurements, enhancing the accuracy of your testing. The adjustable auto-clear feature simplifies your testing process by automatically resetting the display after each measurement, saving time and effort. Elevate your quality control measures with the AUET/MTM-100-1000DC Torque Tester DC .SoftwareUSB. Its wide torque range, multiple modes, and software connectivity make it an indispensable tool for verifying the performance of your assembly tools. Invest in this advanced torque tester and gain confidence in the accuracy and repeatability of your fastening processes.